Hi, kindergartners. It's time for math, and I need your help counting and writing numbers with me. We are going to count the objects, these dots, and write the number. So get a plain piece of paper and get ready to start writing your numbers. Let's start over here. You might be able to subitize just looking at the dots and knowing how many there are. You're right, it's 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's write the number 3 together. Backwards C, backwards C. You just made the number 3. Write a whole row of 3. Next one. You might be able to tell by subitizing there are 2 groups of 3. How many dots are there? You can count if you need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you guess 6, you're correct. Let's write 6 together. Monkey's tail needs a fix. Come on, let's make a 6. Write a whole row of 6. Next one, I bet you can subitize that just by looking. You can tell that there are 2 dots. Let's write 2. Half a moon, there's more to do. Slide to the right and make a 2. Write a whole row of 2. Next one. That's a lot of dots. You're going to probably have to count that one. There are 3 lines of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's write 9 together. A hoop and a line. That's the way you make a 9. Write a whole row of 9. Next one, 2 lines of 4. 4 and 4 make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's write 8. Make an S, but do not stop. Back to the top and an 8 you've got. Write a whole row of 8. You might recognize that on a dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you guess 5, you're right. Let's write 5 together. Slide down, curve like that, back to the top and give it a hat. That is 5. Write a whole row of 5. What? Just 1? How many dots are there? You know it's 1. Top to bottom, then you're done. You just made the number 1. Write a whole row of 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 more is 7. Let's write 7. Across the sky and down from heaven, you just made the number 7. Write a whole row of 7. You might recognize that from a dice as well. 2 and 2 make 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're right. Let's write 4. Halfway down, cross the middle for fun. Top to bottom, then you're done. That's the number 4. Write a whole row of 4. And last one. Whoa, 2 groups of 5? Do you know what that is? What does 5 and 5 make? If you need to count, you can. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's make 10. We remember that 10 is a 1 and then a 0. So top to bottom, then you're done. You just made the number 1. And curve from the top, be a hero. Close the loop and make a 0. Practice writing a whole row of 10. And then at the very bottom of your paper, I have a bonus one. What's the number that means nothing? None or nothing. I do not have any brothers. I have, you tell me, write a whole row of that number. Excellent job with today's math lesson. Great job, kindergartners.